For us, in the five dimension, past is something that has already happened and future is about to happen. Then how come Nostradamus 500 years ago predicted that two flying birds will hit the man-made mountains in the new city? It came out to be true. Did the future exist then? How such predictions, which came out to be true by the soothsayers 500 years ago, were true? Did the past really happen then? Or past, which is a part of our parallel reality, which exists with the present? Let us understand the intricacies of the past, present, and the future. It is said that something which is about to happen is the future, and something that has already happened is the past. Then where is the present? I am about to do something is the future, and I have already done something is the past. Then where lies the present? We have to understand that we are in a journey of life, and the future is our milestones that we are about to see, and the past is the milestones that we have already left behind. A journey is similar to a bus ride. We say, I am traveling from Mumbai to Pune. I am about to reach Pune. You are not about to reach Pune. Pune is going to come. Pune is not going to come. Pune is already there. You are going to experience it. Similarly, future also exists. We are going to experience it. It is rightly said that we are not physical beings who experience a spiritual experience, but we are spiritual beings who undergo a physical experience. Past are nothing but burden of memories, similar to as ashes. They give us nothing but pain. And future is something that gives you anxiety of what is about to happen. That is why it is rightly said that you should learn to live in the present. How do you learn to live in the present? In India, in the ancient times, there were teachers and there were gurus. The difference between a teacher and the guru was the teacher teaches you the horizontal way of living, wherein you interact, how you deal with the community, whereas the guru lifts your energy upwards. Once you begin the spiritual process, you learn to live in the present. The past fades away and the future never remains.